Most people using AI for social media are making the same mistake. They let AI create and publish everything without even reviewing what they're posting, then wonder why nobody engages. AI should help you stay consistent, not replace the thinking, expertise, and personality that give people a reason to follow you. So in this video, I'll show you how to create and schedule 1 week of social media posts across all your platforms in about 30 minutes using SocialBee. It'll build a strategy, suggest what to post, and handle all the scheduling and publishing. You just need to spend a few minutes personalizing each post with your own ideas, stories, and perspective. That way you can consistently publish quality content that can actually earn engagement and strengthen your brand instead of flooding your feed with generic AI slop that hurts it. Let me show you how it works. So you can create a SocialBee account in a few seconds. Just click the link below and you'll be taken to this page and just hit create account. You get a 14-day free trial and there's no credit card required. And after your 14-day trial, if you want to continue onward, you can get 50% off for 3 months using my code Solopreneur50x3 right here. So just hit create account and just fill in the information and you can create your account in a few seconds. So once you've created your account, you'll be taken to the SocialBee dashboard here. And the next step is just to connect all your social platforms. And you can see that it pretty much supports all major platforms and even some emerging ones like Blue Sky. And connecting your accounts takes literally seconds. So to give you an example, I'll connect LinkedIn here and you can connect a company page or your profile. I'll connect my personal profile here since I've already connected my company page. All you need to do is sign in and hit allow, and just like that, it's connected. So you would do the exact same thing for all your platforms and it takes a few seconds for each one. So just connect all the platforms you want to post from. Now let's generate your entire social media strategy. And to do that, we're going to use the social media copilot that you can access here in the left bar. Just click on that. And now all you need to do is give SocialBee your website. So I've entered my website here and then it's going to start analyzing it and it's going to come back here with a quick summary. And so you can see your name. And if you want to edit anything, you can just hit the pencil and change it. And you can see your tagline and the services you offer and so on and so forth. So I'm fine with all of this, but you can edit it if you'd like. And then what it's going to do is gather information about your business. And then it's going to suggest which social networks make the most sense for you based on, of course, the ones you've connected. And so it's suggesting that we use Instagram. As you can see, it's a 90% match and Facebook is at 80 and LinkedIn. And so it's suggesting quite a few things here. So I'm just going to go with Instagram here, Facebook, and LinkedIn company page. Let's just go with those three. But of course, you can add as many as you want here. And then the next thing it's going to do is generate the categories. And now let me explain what categories are and why they're so important and why it's really the unique thing about SocialBee that helps you post more consistently. One of the biggest challenges with social media is not knowing what to post. Like a lot of people, they just try and post the exact same types of content every time. And that gets stale, it gets repetitive, you run out of ideas, you're just sitting there staring at a blank page. But what SocialBee does is, and this is what the best social media strategists do, is organize your content into different buckets or content types. So you have these different pillars that you draw content ideas from. So in our example here, it's sharing success stories, which is going to be, of course, a bottom of the funnel type asset, which is going to want people to want to work with me, right? Then there's like visual inspirations. You can see quotes and stuff to motivate people, tips and tricks. Maybe I do live QA sessions, resource roundups for all the content that I produce. I produce a lot of content and videos and tutorials. So it's suggesting these 5 categories, and you can add your own categories if you'd like as well. Like maybe I want to do new tools I discovered or business lessons or something else where I want to generate my own category. And so let me add that one, business lessons. And I'll just, you could of course name it, pick a color for it. But one thing to note, by the way, is when you add it, it actually won't show up right in this view. And I'll show you where it shows up a little later, but know that you did add it. I wish it did show up in this view, but it actually does add it. And I'll show you where it adds in a moment. But then once you're happy with these, and you can delete any of the ones that you don't want, just hit generate posts. And now what it's going to do is actually create some post ideas and templates based on these categories and based on what it knows about your business. Okay, and so just like that, you can see all of the posts it's created for us with images and everything. And now you can hit see and approve posts, and you'll be able to review all of the posts, edit and approve them. But personally, I actually like doing it instead from this section. I like going to content and looking at it from this view because I can easily see how much content is in each category. So you see 2 posts in this one, in this one, in this one. I just like the organization of this better. So I'll be showing you from here. So if you want to see the posts it created, just click on view posts within that category. And so you can see that this post is going across Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And you can see that it's actually not a completed post. So this is not meant to be posted exactly as is. This is just like an idea, like don't miss our latest resource roundup featuring game-changing apps and platforms. Keep your business thriving. So what you should do now is hit edit. And it's giving us a quick note that we need to customize some things if we need to post to Pinterest because we'll need to pick a board, but I'm actually not going to post to Pinterest on this one. And let's just keep it Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And you can see that there is going to be a different post for each one if we'd like, or we can use the same one across each of them. And so what you want to do here is you actually want to actually add in the link that you would use for this post or whatever it is that you want to customize for this post. And you can go with the image that they've suggested here, or you can actually upload your own image. You can use Giphy to insert a GIF, or Unsplash, and you can look for stock images as well, or you can just jump straight into Canva and design something. And you can even have it generate the images for you if you want an AI image instead. But one of the coolest features is you can actually generate these captions. And so if you want help and say this was for Instagram, you can actually see all the different kinds of prompts that you can use to get a really good post here. It's like 10 viral ideas, or if you're established trust. So whatever kind of help you need to write a prompt, let's just pick this one and then say witty. Actually, I'm going to go back and generate hashtags and an emoji. And so you can see there, and then you can just use selected and it'll drop that prompt in. So you can kind of co-write with the AI and have it help you write the post that you need. And you can even hit customize each and change them for each of them if you'd like. And real quick, I'll show you, if you go to generate images, it already has the subject matter for the post, and so you can see how many images you want to generate, and it's already created the prompt for you, so it's already aware what kind of image it should make. And let's just say we want to generate 3 images, and just give it a few seconds here, and you can see 3 images right there. And let's say we want to use 2 of them, and we can drop them in just like that. Now, another thing you can do is actually add a variation, and this variation is going to actually allow this post to be posted more than once. And so that way it doesn't show up as the exact same post. And so you can make another variation of this so that when you repost it, it's not posting the exact same post. And so you can use the AI again to make another version of this post. And you can actually just see a quick preview of what the post is going to look like across each platform. And by the way, you can generate hashtags automatically. Just hit this button, but we already have hashtags. But if you didn't have them, you could generate them automatically as well. Now, next is our category, and we already have this in the resource roundups category because the AI already did that for us. And posting schedule, I'm gonna leave now. You could post it right now, but I'm gonna show you how the categories define when it's going to be posted, which is really the whole power of this whole system. So we'll get back to this later. And requeue after posting can be really powerful for evergreen content because it's going to allow you to reshare the content so that you get more distribution out of the same posts. And because we have variations, that's going to help keep the posts varied when we post them. And so you can add more variations if you want as well. And you can also expire the post. So if you wanted to just requeue for a specific amount of time, you can then just do that, or you can keep it evergreen and then just hit update post. and it's going to make your changes. And now you would just go into all of your other categories and do the same thing and edit the posts that you want to keep, and you can delete the ones you don't want to keep. And now what you're going to want to do is just go into each of the categories and do the exact same thing. Like in the success stories section, of course, this is an example, meet Sarah, a solopreneur, and you'll want to edit that and actually put in an actual customer story or a real proof point of yours, but this is just a example post within this category to give you a sense of what you should kind of post. And again, you can get AI's help to write this stuff. And also you'll see the business lessons category right here. And if you notice, there aren't any posts for this because it's not one of the categories the Copilot created for us. But if we want to add content to this, we can go here and manually add content to it using the AI to kind of get some help. Or if you kind of want to get a head start and want the system to give you some example posts, just go back to the dashboard, and here you'll actually be able to see how much content is within each of the categories, and you'll also be able to see like which ones are running low. And so you can just hit generate content, and you can choose your platform, and you hit generate posts, and you can see that it generated a whole bunch for business lessons. We just need to wait till the image is complete, and then just check the posts that you want to use. We hit save, and now this has 3 posts. And then we would go back to content, go into business lessons, and edit these posts and update them as needed to personalize them to actually have your unique viewpoint. And now once you're happy with your posts, all you need to do is hit approved, and you can do that for all your categories so that your posts are available for SocialBee to post. So once you've done adding some posts and approving them, we're ready to start scheduling the content. And this is really where the power of SocialBee is. And it's the whole reason why we set up categories to begin with. And I'll show you what I mean. So go to scheduler and then click on overview. And what SocialBee allows you to do is, rather than schedule individual posts one at a time, you can actually schedule recurring categories. So what that means is you can have a certain category post on a certain day, and it's just going to grab the next post from that queue. So for example, let's say on Mondays at 5:20, we want to post business lessons. And then let's say on Tuesday, we want to post success stories. And this time we're going to do it a little later. The amount of content you need will depend on how frequently you want to post. And then on Wednesday, let's say we want to post resources. And then so on and so forth. You can add all the other categories. And again, this just depends how frequently you want to post. But if we look at our calendar here, we can see that it's grabbed the next post in this category. And then the following week, it's grabbed the next post in the category. And if we keep going, you'll see this one has one and this one has one, but this one doesn't. And now it's re-queued the variation you see here. So because we've set on one evergreen post, it's going to keep reposting that one because we haven't added more content, right? But we do want to add more content so that the same thing doesn't keep repeating. And so once that's all set up, then all you have to do is take a look at your categories and see which ones are running low, and then make content for each of these categories once a week. So if you only want to make 1 week of posts at a time, that's fine. Just spend 30 minutes and it's going to give you some post ideas. As I showed you, you can generate those ideas and just fill up your posts. Or if you want to take, say, once a month, put in a couple of hours and fill up your content for the month. And then SocialBee is just going to schedule all of that for you. All you're doing is adding fresh posts into those buckets, and it's taking care of posting them across whichever platforms that you've created content for. So that's how you can stay consistent and publish quality content across all your social media channels with as little as 30 minutes a week. SocialBee gives you the content categories, post ideas, and publishing system. You just need to add your own stories, opinions, and expertise so every post reflects the unique value and perspective you bring, which then gives people a reason to engage and follow you. And with requeuing, your best evergreen content can continue circulating so each post keeps working for you long after you create it. You can try SocialBee for free for 14 days using the link below, and if you decide to continue, use my discount code to save 50% on a paid plan. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tools and strategies to help you grow your business. Now here's that in-depth SocialBee tutorial I mentioned where I walk through each and every feature. I'll see you in there.